Hi.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Maybe no.
Nick. Or Poland is
It
the
was windy, so I
wind. So, slowly now, first. Slowly, can you going down to be on the rope?
Alright.
You are down? Yeah. Please, yeah, super. We can go slowly, yeah. Super. Slowly. Go. Super. Super, slowly, yeah. Excellent. Okay.
From Warsaw, and you know, the, my second time.
Second time, okay.
Just a second.
Or something like that, or you are just paragliding?
Just paragliding. Just like circle of X.
Yeah. One for because of the you going on the descending now. Yeah, I think here. Because
To catch gliders or not?
because I must come to you. Go strange. Be there. Yeah. Poland people is this top destination.